Hello sparklers, welcome back to Glam Queen DIY, and if you're new, thanks for tuning in. Today's do-it-yourself vlog video is for my home decor lovers, and it's 4 sparkle DIY glam vases, so stay tuned. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright sparklers, let's get this video started. And today you guys, I'm going to be revamping and upcycling these 2 large vases and these 2 smaller vases. We're going to be using Rust-Oleum yellow spray paint, 2 times the coverage. I'm also going to be using this crushed diamond epoxy sheet from bbcraft.com. I'm going to link it in the description. Now you guys, I have painted the vase, and what I'm going to do first, you guys, is I'm actually measuring how much of that crushed diamond epoxy sheet that I actually want to put on, and I just want to dress up the top portion of this vase. And as you can see, you know, I'm measuring. I will tell you guys, if you're doing any project that requires you to measure once, measure twice, measure 3 times. It is always better to double measure and triple measure, so when you cut any pieces, your cuts are precise from the very beginning. So I am getting ready to cut my pieces, and I'm lining them up, and I mark my paper so once I lay whatever I'm using to cause me to have a straight line, it can just easily line up. So you guys, we're going to cut these pieces. Now if you do like sparkle glam DIY vases and accessories, DIY home decor, DIY room decor, a little bit of revamps and upcycles, I promise you Glam Queen DIY is the channel for you. Do make sure you subscribe, hit that bell twice, it turns blue. Make sure you guys, your notification is set to all, so you'll know every time that I am uploading. Now here on the channel, we do upload on Sundays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. We also upload on other days as well for collaboration and sometimes just to give you some bonus content. Make sure you do check my description box for all of my affiliate links and discount code. And if you do use those, you guys, you do receive a discount on items that you purchase that I do use as well. Now I'm just laying my crushed diamond epoxy hot fix sheet on just to look it, because I always like to look at my item on my DIYs before I actually secure them, you guys. Now you guys, I will drop the link for this crushed diamond hot fix sheet down in my description. I have my E6000. I originally was going to use it, but I also had my Dollar Tree cement glue, and that is the one that I opted for. And this portion of the video is sponsored by Decor. I received my packages like this, and as you can see, I have quite a bit. But Decor was established in 2015, and they do supply high quality decoration materials. They do offer very competitive prices. Their products feature simplicity, practicality, and beauty is their #1 priority. Decor also does free shipping on all orders, damaged tile replaced for free, and high quality mosaic tiles. They carry glass tile, Bianco Carrara marble, mirror glass tile, mother of pearl tiles, peel and stick tiles, and marble pastry and cutting boards. Now what I received, you guys, was this 3/8 square 13 facet mirror glass mosaic tile, crystal diamond mosaic tile pack of 5. And as you can see, you guys, it is not self-adhesive. Oh, you guys, the flexibility, the look, the quality. Let me tell you, Decor nailed this mirror mosaic tile here. I'm actually loving it. You guys, you're going to see this in a DIY in this video, so make sure you do stay tuned for that. You're going to also see some more Decor videos coming in the next week as well, so make sure you do stay tuned. TT was wanting to actually help. She enjoyed the look of the glass. Check my description box for my Decor affiliate link and snag you some amazing mosaic tiles. Now we're jumping right back into the video. Now here, you guys, I'm just adding that cement glue from Dollar Tree, and I'm just actually putting it on light. And I didn't know, you guys, that the cement glue was yellow, which it didn't bother me none since I painted my vases yellow as well. But we're gonna just add them on so we can actually elevate the look. And after I finish, you guys, I did realize that I did not paint the lip of the glass on the very top as well, but that's okay as well, because once we dress them up and where they're going to be placed, it will not matter. Now you guys, the cement glue actually sticks fairly quickly, you guys. Almost not as fast as your regular super glue, but you guys, it was tacky within about 5 minutes, so I did love that. And two, you know, you can always, like I tell you, use the glue of your choice, but we're going to let this piece adhere and we're going to continue on with this DIY. Now here, you guys, I just cut that last piece that I'm just going to seal this crushed diamond epoxy all the way in. And this was just like a strap piece of my hot fix sheet, and I'm just going to just add in my cement glue, and we're going to glue this down, you guys. And this is what it looks like with that crushed diamond hot fix sheet added to it. You guys, originally this was my plan, just to do this here, but a lot of my DIYs do evolve, so I took out some of my Dollar Tree Bling dot self-adhesive sheets, and I'm going to just trim up and line up these lines horizontally, you guys, on this vase. And I'm going to just cut off my pieces. I will drop a link in my description for this Dollar Tree Bling dot is what it's called, self-adhesive sheet. And you guys, in my local areas, these here we only get in a seasonal. Even if you get the regular bling wrap self-adhesive, the silver we'd still get in almost seasonally. But I'm just going to line the top of this vase first, and then as you can see here, the texture on the vase, we're going to just dress this vase up horizontally. So what I need you to do, you guys, is to follow me along as we take this vase from ordinary to extraordinary. And two, you guys, always talk to me down in that comment section. Let me know what you like about the products. I'm sorry, let me know what you like about the projects, you guys. And if you would like to see me try certain things, I do occasionally do projects that my viewers suggest. So if you have any suggestions, do drop them in that comment. Two, I want to thank each and every one of you for continuing to show the channel love and support. And once again, thank you, you guys. We are on the road for that 50,000 subscribers. Thank you for helping us make it to where we are thus far. And once again, I cannot do this without you, for all of your faithful, loyal love and support. So for that, we want to tell you thank you, thank you, thank you for continuing to rock out with your girl. And as you can see, you guys, we are close to bringing this DIY here to a close. And I'm still just adding in those bling strips from Dollar Tree. We're going to finish up this vase, and you guys, they turned out gorgeous. You're going to see them featured in my home very, very soon. Make sure you do stay tuned, you guys, for the room tours and the renovations and things we're going to be bringing to you here shortly. But this is that vase completed, and I'm telling you guys, they are gorgeous. And you know me, I am a symmetrical girl. I love symmetry, so I did create two. Now you guys, let me know what you think about this vase. Look at that bling, sparkle, and shine. Now you guys, we're getting ready to jump into DIY number 2. And once again, if you're not part of the Glam Queen of DIY family, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Now my taller vases are painted. Now I am going to be using that Decor 3/8 square tile. And you guys, all I'm going to do to this vase is I'm going to add some tile to the lip of the vase and down the front. Now we just want to give this vase a little hit of sparkle and reflection. And I promise you guys, when you see it styled, you're gonna love it in the space that it is in. So here I'm just lining up my pieces to see if they look even to me. So now I am just cutting the extra trim off of the backing, adding my hot glue. And you guys, this hot glue is a Monvic hot glue gun. It is one of my favorite hot glue guns. Sorry about that, you guys. I did have a call, but I will be dropping the link for this Monvic hot glue gun down in my description. And as you can see, we're just lining this vase up. And I do once again want to thank Decor for sponsoring the mirror mosaic tile in this section of the video. Once again, it's sponsored by Decor.com. Their link is down in my description box, along with my affiliate link for you to snag you some wonderful high quality pieces and receive a discount, you guys. Make sure you do check out this 3/8 square tile that I'm actually using, you guys. And it is actually the tile that they're featuring on special this month, you guys. So please make sure you do snag you some. And don't forget to come back to see what your girl is going to be doing with all of those boxes of tile that she did receive. Now here, you guys, I'm just pulling some of the single pieces off, because as I line the lip, I do want to put these pieces on individually. And two, if you pick up you a Monvic hot glue gun, you guys, I will tell you have to be very careful, because your glue gets extremely hot using this Monvic hot glue gun. And to you guys, I will be showing you all the glue guns that I do use. I did see that email about 8 or 9 times. You wondering what's my favorite glue gun, so I'll be bringing you that in a video coming very soon. And we are almost bringing these DIYs to a close. Now, make sure you guys check out all of the Glam Queen branded channels, and that is along with the Glam Queen of DIY. We have the Glam Queen of Decor. We're going to be bringing you content from the Glam Queen vlogs and Glam Queen unboxing. This is what that vase is looking like. And you guys, I told you I just needed a pop of sparkle and that reflection from that mirror tile. You guys, this piece is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And you know I did too. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you guys in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.